In this training video, we'll be going over programming your customer responsibility form. Up here, we named it customer responsibility. You could rename it and call it service contract or whatever you want. And this programs for the name on the side menu. Also, this is for the form title, customer responsibility on the form, which I'll show you in just a bit. So basically, you have all these tools that you can use to work on your text. All this can be changed. We've used it and programmed it for primarily protecting your air movers and your dehumidifiers and all your equipment. Having your customers sign, you can add a note box. So again, we're in programming. You can add a note box for your customers to sign or not. You could take that check off if you wanted. But we also offer tokens. If you wanted to add an apartment name or building or category, all this could be assigned to your form, as well as statements. You can put an input field here, and if you wanted to have that there as well. So this, again, is where you would create all this, and it would show up in your sidebar. And this is the actual form when you're working on an estimate or an invoice packet. So you can see this is all ready to go. And your customer could sign right here because we added that signature field as I showed you earlier. Again, customer responsibility form, it shows up on the side, or rename it if you like. So we have a lot of flexibility within the program. To your success, and thank you for watching.